Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa yung kilay ko. Yung kilay not on flick but kilay for everyday flick. Diba? So, simple lang yung ginamit ko. Yung ginamit ko, pencil at saka 3 brushes. Very simple, and you can actually do this in just 3 minutes. If you're interested in how I did my kilay on flick, go ahead and keep watching. So if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below so you can get an update for my upcoming videos. Hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go ahead and proceed to the tutorial. Okay po, ito po yung gagamitin ko is essence na eyebrow pencil. Kunin ko yung dito po ako nag-start sa hair. Nandito naman po yung dito para po medyo ano ba yan? Parang buhok po siya. Lalagyan po natin siya ng drawing na natin siya ganyan. Pa-upward po. Parang nagdo-drawing tayo ng buhok. Yan. Kasi nga wala akong buhok. Diyan. The most important part is itong brush, yung eyebrow brush. So, ganito lang kalit yung akin. Dito ako nagsisimula sa tip. Yan. Binabrush ko siya upward. Brush ko ng ganito. Pa-down. So, same thing pa rin po sa kabila. Ano ako nag-start sa that you used a soft pangkilay, yung soft yung effect para natural looking, hindi siya medyo hard na parang yung mga pang glam look, kasi this is for everyday. You don't need the kilay on flick, it's just the kilay for everyday flick. The next thing na gagawin natin is lilinisin natin yung edges dito. I'm not going to use concealer, but ang gagamitin ko is foundation. Ito. Kasi is hindi siya puti, but it's a nude yung color. Matte cameo. The foundation on my palm, and then lagay ko dito. Ang gagawin natin is maglilinis tayo ng edges. Para makita mo talaga yung kilay mo, itaas mo lang yung make sure even foundation. Hanggang mo lang is pa-upward. Ganyan. Make sure din even yung pagkaka-distribute niya. Yung parang diba? Mas malinis siyang tignan compared dito sa kabila. So that's it. That's how I did my kilay. If you like my video, go ahead and click the like button. And if you think this needs to be shared and this is something na kailangan ng mga friends you, go ahead and share this video. Spread the word, and I would really love to see you on my next video. Thank you so much, and see you next time.